Let's break down exactly what makes AI feel like it's harder to use than it's supposed to be. It's not the tool, and it's not that you're doing something wrong. The friction comes from things that most people don't even know how to fix. I will name them for you very clearly so you know what they are and how to solve them. Friction point number 1. Drift. Drift happens when AI starts to give you outputs and results that feel more and more random or off track over time. This happens because the system is trying to adjust to what you're giving it, but it doesn't have enough clear structure to follow. The more you shift instructions without opening a new chat, resetting, or clarifying, the more drift builds up. Friction point number 2, decision fatigue. Decision fatigue shows up when every time you open up ChatGPT or Claude or Grok, you feel stuck deciding, what prompt should I use? How should I phrase it? Do I even know what I want? The longer this goes on, the harder it gets to start at all. Friction point 3, tool overwhelm. Tool overwhelm happens when you've tried all of these different apps, templates, or advice, and none of it fits how you work. The more you try to force things, the more burnt out you feel, and the less you trust AI to help you at all. The fix is not more tools. The fix isn't even different tools. It's small, clear systems that match how you think, work, and create. That's what Mirror 1 will guide you through, creating one small system at a time. Scroll down and let's start building your first microsystem.